Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular video I will talk about DNB counseling in 2021, the expected cutoff, what is going to be, and what are the changes might be able to see when the counseling process goes on. You will able to see negative shift. There are multiple reasons for it, so we'll discuss all these points in detail in this video. Before that, I would suggest you to subscribe this channel, and because it is going to be very good platform for you for all NEET PG counseling until FCPS CPS counseling goes on, because we will push all the updates. Okay, and you can subscribe to our paid counseling services for one-to-one personalized counseling guidance. For that you can call us 9319128677. In the description you can find Telegram group link. You can join Telegram group, where you will get all the important information, all the important news updates. You can chat to the other candidates who come from different states. They can also help out by giving their own information. There is a link for ebook. You can have a look at those also, because those valuable information are impossible to find for free on network anywhere. So let's get started. So see, in this DNB 2021, the main change is which organization is going to conduct the counseling process. So this time MCC will conduct the counseling process for DNB as well as MSMD for MSMD courses, and both will be happening in parallel. So you will able to see a negative shift. Earlier, what used to happen after second round of counseling for MSMD is over, so most of the candidate might have taken the seat in MSMD, and then DNB counseling is to start, which used to be conducted by NBE. But this time MCC conducting the counseling process for both DNB as well as MSMD. Since both will go in parallel, so you can see negative shift, and the best possible opportunity to get a seat in DNB will be in third round. So I am giving you a expected cutoff in terms of rank. It's based on our analysis, many previous year data, and all those things. Don't take it as granted, but this is expectation. Will be remaining more or less same when you compare at the time of actual counseling process happens. So for Dharma it will be around 5500. For radio, the candidate will be getting seat up to rank of 8500. Medicine up to 15 to 16,000 rank. Pedia up to 17,000 rank. Obs Gynaes up to 18,000 rank. Nuclear medicine up to 15,000 rank. Respiratory medicine up to 14,000 rank. Pediatric surgery up to 26,000 rank. Plastic surgery and neurosurgery, these three courses are of 6 years. So plastic surgery and neurosurgery you can get up to 21,000 rank. Talking about psychiatry, up to 20,000 rank you can get seat. Orthopedics up to 18,000. Ophthalmology up to 25,000. General surgery 23,000 will be cut off. Emergency medicine 25,000. ENT 27,000. Radiotherapy 28,000. Anesthesia 32,000. Pathology 38,000, and transfusion medicine 42,000. So this will be the expected cutoff for DNB 2021. So definitely you can see in some other upcoming video I will be posting last year cutoff rank, so you can have a comparison, and I will show you the comparative view how it is different in 2021 from 2022. So every year, due to some changes that comes from counseling process or examination perspective, the trends keep on changing. So you can't take something as granted for the last year. Having information from the last year is good thing, but going right exactly as per that is not wise decision. So you should consult expert counselor. In case if you want to aware of paid services, you can contact us. Our expert counselor will be in touch with you right from the start until the counseling process goes on and you are eligible to participate for any course, and you will get the best possible result out of it. This time they can increase the tuition fee for DNB from 1.25 lakhs to 1.5 lakhs, which is marginal. The tuition fee is very less compared to MSMD. When you go for private institution, you have to pay huge amount as tuition fee, whereas in DNB, whether it's government organization or private institution, the amount of tuition fee you need to pay is fixed. So that's very much benefit. But you have to score good also, because you know the cutoff for all the higher clinical is going to be closed before 15,000-16,000 rank. So that's it from my end for this video, and all the best for examination. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.